minutes lang. Long 2 lang daw, long 2. Sana sabi natin game of result. Alam mo, yung tira kanina ni Strong, no? It was an open shot, no? Pero not the best possible shot na pwede.
Wow.
Pwede yung matake. And ito, Felix with that attack. Game is tied at 93.
Mainit-init na si Felix. Of the day, the PIC against the PCCR or the Philippine International College against the Philippine College of Criminology.
Si Reneo biglang tumulong.
Minion to Felix. Wow.
This is gonna be a dangerous pass coming from Red Eusebio.
Oo, pero grabe yung timing, no?
Yes, perfect.
Oo.
And look at that.
Points.
Ivan Sereneo extending his advantage against Sereneo. So they are keep on pushing him up from the 3-point area. Ito pa lang si Loresto. So 75% na agad yun sa kanya pa lang. And it's raining 3 right now.
Specific ang sinabi ni Coach. Sabi lang niya may mga naging problem daw sila here in Manila.
Okay.
So, hindi sila masyado ng specific ang sinabi ni Coach. Sabi lang niya may mga naging problem daw sila here in Manila.
Okay.
So, hindi sila masyado ng
Coach, ito partner, alam natin, no? Ang isa sa karakter ng PCCR, let's run with that.
seconds on the shot clock.
And Mignon converting that 3
For 3.
plus a foul. Again, right now, Loresto scoring 25 points from 8 out of 13 field goal
Grabe.
percentage, no? 61% total yan. And 58% from the 3-point area, 7 out of 12. 1 out of 1 sa 2-point area. Isipin mo, isang beses lang doon tumira ng
Now it's
Buenaventura. Axel pulls up. 19-footer is good. John Axel.